Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on a MacBook. First, understand that modern MacBooks with Apple Silicon processors can run a native version of the game, offering excellent performance. For those with older Intel-based MacBooks, you will need to explore alternative methods like compatibility layers or virtualization software. We will cover both options to ensure you can enjoy this classic title on your device, providing a full guide. For MacBooks featuring Apple Silicon, the native version of Resident Evil 4 is your best bet. This version is specifically optimized for chips like the M1, M2, or M3, delivering smooth gameplay and impressive graphics. You can easily purchase and download it directly from the Mac App Store. Always ensure your Mac OS is updated to the latest version to guarantee the best possible performance and stability while playing. If you have an Intel-based MacBook or prefer more flexibility, compatibility layers and virtualization are viable options. Crossover, for example, enables many Windows games to run directly on Mac OS without needing a full Windows operating system. Alternatively, Parallels Desktop creates a complete virtual Windows environment, offering broad compatibility. Both methods require sufficient system resources, typically at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, for a smooth experience. To maximize your Resident Evil 4 experience, optimize your MacBook settings. Start by adjusting the in-game graphics to find a balance between visual fidelity and a consistent frame rate, aiming for 60 frames per second. Using an external controller, such as a PlayStation or Xbox gamepad, can significantly enhance gameplay precision and immersion. Finally, ensure your MacBook has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, especially during longer gaming sessions, keeping your device cool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.